You think you want whatever land we left on.
Has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew. You will ever fly to the blue corner, and rest the green bucket where he grew. Can you see all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Come on the hidden pine trails of the forest. Come taste the so-sweet berries of the earth. Come rolling all the reaches all around.